Make delicious pancakes quickly and easily with Perfect Pancake, the electric pancake maker that literally turns the way you've always made pancakes on its head. Make perfect paper-thin pancakes and crepes with perfectly consistent results time after time. Simply mix the pancake batter to your favorite recipe, then pour the mixture into the batter dipping bowl. When Perfect Pancake is up to temperature, turn it over and dip into the batter mix for a few seconds. Lift it out and turn again. The pancake is already attached and cooking. Once baked on one side, turn it and finish in seconds. It's so easy. Perfect Pancake is great for family dining fun. Now you can make perfect pancakes at the table. Even the chef can sit down and enjoy. Each pancake is cooked fresh and tastes so much better. Just dip, flip and serve. Why not try making savoury pancakes too? Just dip it and turn Perfect Pancake pan over. Now add your favourite fillings while still on the heating plate. Simply wrap the pancake over the filling for amazing mouth-watering results. Try ham and cheese or these amazing salmon, cream cheese and avocado. Even Mexican-inspired pancakes taste great too. The possibilities are endless. Perfect Pancakes are quick and easy to make. You control the thickness of the pancakes by holding the heating plate in the batter for just a second or two longer. Become the perfect pancake chef with Perfect Pancake Maker. Get creative and take yours to the checkout now.